Southside, One motherfucking gang, we don't give a fuck. Straight coming off with the motherfucking focus and we live for the guys. That's right, motherfuckers, it's the gangsta player. And my niggas fool. Gonna show you motherfuckers what the fuck we my hoods. That's right, motherfucking busters, we don't give a fuck. Straight up fucking gangsta. Yeah, yo, show logo.
I'm that rebel that straight, the thing you will damn that better get for play your brother when he fucking jam. But that will take your motherfucking life. You put the best to fuck to run, cause when you're done with the motherfucking line with the motherfucking strap, that's right, look, so get it out of the back. Let it motherfucking rain, let it bang, let it bang, let it do it fucking bang, click, click, bang, bang, kiss on your girl. Are you preparing my motherfucking liver? You can't be like the motherfucking player, so fuck all you hater. That's to stay away from my motherfucking hairy stuff. That's right, motherfucking when you put the side, see emotion, keep up for that, that's when I triple off. That's right, you didn't make us drop it off, left to right, like the fucking fly, that's right. They got this your shadow gang to the day, that's time, that's right, then I don't keep a fuck.
I straight don't give a fuck about your run.
Stay away from this motherfucking player on the begging hand. This fucking bullshit, don't give a fuck about you, hey, motherfucking hood. That's
like that short gang. How you live out? But it ain't no fucking thing, motherfucker best to die.
Straight soldier up, I'm that fucking battle from the one fucking gang. Straight looking up, man, you fucking back the soul through chest. That's how I from the back. Take it bad against the player from the 1-8. Don't give a shit out on any all your motherfucking names. So low, loud, insane. That's right, motherfucker, 51, 50, what they say, but I give the fuck. Hell, motherfucking not. I'm a motherfucking life is cold. Well, look at this stuff, so gotta say that. As I blow up this fucking buster, the fucking try to come across.
Yeah, that's right, motherfucker, guess who? I'm that motherfucking fool that doesn't give a fuck about you. That's right, straight coming out the bag. As I creep in the ground, taking your motherfucking life. Fucking busters, you ain't nothing but a fucking motherfucking leisure while I see my eyes. So get it what I'm soldier up all the time. I stay fucking looking up, that's right, motherfucker, with my weapon ready to let up. So guess what? I'm gonna take your life, and tonight you're gonna be no more fucking gone. That's right, you know how the fucking game goes, and you went to be side, side. Yeah, that's right. Guess what? My motherfucking homie niggas boots. Are you motherfucking fools shaking up your fucking boots? That's right, you motherfucker, better run like you should. Cause we don't give a fuck, and we're gonna take your life straight. But they know Chavez like it ain't no fucking thing. And all of my homies got my fucking skin now. That's right, motherfucker. You ain't nothing but a bunch of fucking busters, fucking scary ass motherfucking sucker. When you see us coming up, yo motherfuckers run and you act like the fucking cucaracha. Turn on the light, motherfuckers scattered up. That's right, you little sucker. That's right, motherfucker. Wicked ass fucking gangsters, but the wheel Ocho Ganga. So insane, low down, no doubt about it. I live my life with that gangsta mentality out of my bag. Motherfucking suckers try to ride up to this motherfucking gangster. Give it kind of love, that's right, motherfuckers. That's right, guess what? This motherfucker player will fucking back to you out to the bag. That's right, motherfuckers gonna die. Now we'll take your life. I don't give a fuck about anyone who won. And for that, I'm number one when it comes to being the fucking roughest of the roughest and the toughest of the toughest. Guess what, motherfucker? I'm number one. I've been on the motherfucking top with the motherfucking flyer. What you fools gonna do? You fools can't do nothing. You ain't nothing but a bunch of fucking little fellas. Right, motherfucking busters. It's all about the big egg.